Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a ponytail on my natural hair for the first time in my whole entire life, and I'm going to do this following a tutorial from Nthabiseng Petlane. I hope I am pronouncing your name well. I'm sorry if I'm doing it wrong. We're going to follow a tutorial titled 100 Rand Side Part Ponytail on Short 4C Hair, No Heat Extended Ponytail. Today I have the video on my computer and I'm going to watch it while I do my hair, not like the other times where I had to watch it, keep in mind, and film. So let's start.
If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, this. I'm working on clean hair. I start.
First off, it really looks sleek. Like, I can't even imagine my hair looking like that. I can't. Like, how is that even possible? She's doing it on clean, damp hair. My hair is not clean and it is dry. Like, what do I do now? So I don't even want to do it on clean hair because I'm not sure it's going to work. Then I don't want to have that much product in my hair for more than a day or two. So I rather work on, I'm not going to say dirty hair, I'm going to say on hair that is not freshly washed, because my hair is not dirty. It's just not freshly washed. So she starts by using a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to try to wet my hair as much as possible, then go in with the conditioner. My hair is not short, but it's not long. So I think my hair is medium length. I actually want to try Stera from her because we don't have full edges. We both, she does not have full edges too like me. It is true that we don't have the same hairline, but watching the videos from her and how good it turns out makes me feel like I could get something from this. I hope I'm not wrong. I'm going to use this leave in.
For moisture. After that, I dampen my hair with water just so the hair.
Dampen the hair. I think her hair was dry in the beginning, but it looks damp. That comb in my hair. I don't even have that comb. I don't have that one. But comb in my hair. Oh,
This is a side part ponytail.
I have to do without this. I no. So she's putting the part now.
I use this.
Oh, she's using a wax, molding gel wax. I used to have that, but I recently changed it. Is this La Fresh wax?
Once done, I'm using Isoplus Decree Tails for 20 Rand at Cosmetic Collection. Going in with enough just to saturate the.
After the part now, she goes in the gel. I am not using the same gel. I am using this gel from Echo. This is it. I am not used to using this much product in my hair. I do not know if I can say my hair is saturated now, but I think I'm going to leave it like this. She's using a mix of the gel and the wax, like working in sections, then adding a mix of gel and wax, coming through and sectioning. Let's do that. I really do not want to have to comb through my hair. I don't want to. I don't. I'm trying to make this lay flat, but I don't see. Now she's sectioning out hair for the edges. I don't know if I have enough hair to do that, but let me try. I hope that's enough. Let me see. It's true that she sectioned off a lot. I think that should be enough. I'm just going to keep trying to lay this down. So she just keeps doing the same
Applying
thing.
the wax and then the gel. The gel must always be the last product applied to avoid white patches.
Okay. Applying the wax, then the gel. The gel has to be the last product to be applied. Okay. Okay, I don't have that brush. I'm going to use this one. Let's try to get something out of this. It is just not staying in place like hers. Oh my god. It is not working. I'm not getting the results. I am going to use thread instead and tighten smaller sections as I go. Oh, the tension. Ooh, I. Ooh, I can't. Ooh, I can't do this. Oh, my part looks straight. My edges, nothing looks smooth. Look at this. Uh, I thought this side was even going to look like something, but at the end of the day, no. Look at my part. It looks like a mistake. I think it is a mistake. I can't even fix it. It's what is the hype about ponytails, slick ponytails? Oh my god. No, 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 no. I'm not doing this. Oh, oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Freedom. Oh my god. Ooh, the tension. This is another proof that my hair hates me. What is the hype about? Why are we dying over ponytails? Now I have a good reason to wash my hair. I just need to get all these products off. Then probably do mini braids or something. That's what works for me. I'm going to stick to it. Oh, I I could not stand that for 2 minutes. That ooh. So that's a fail. I hope you learned something from this. I don't even know what lesson somebody can possibly draw from this video, but I hope you learned something from it anyways. And uh remember, things are definitely going to get better soon. They can never stay the same. Take care. Bye.